Good start.
All right. How you doing, everybody out there? Good to see you. It's been a while. I'm here with our good friends Will Woodson and Caitlin Finley, all the way from Winter Street in Portland. Got a show coming up next week. We're going to tell you about in just a minute. It's good to see everybody, kind of. Maybe you're seeing me. I'll see you soon, I hope. Looks like that might actually happen. I hope everybody's doing well and hanging in there. We haven't been together since Hornpipe Night here in Portland, but that was a great night and a lot of fun. And we're going to be back together again before you all know it. So hopefully everybody's signing up and getting your vaccinations and getting ready. And maybe we'll all be back seeing some live shows by the summer or in the summer, or who knows. But in the meantime, very happy to have these guys playing next week for none other than the St. Patrick's Day concert, live from their home and live streamed on the Irish Night of Blue site on Facebook and on YouTube. Right now, I was a little bit of a long introduction because Facebook's not working, which is something it does once in a while. It's not connecting. So this is on YouTube, but I'm going to post the link for YouTube onto Facebook. So Facebook people will see it as well when we're done. But we'll get it working for next week, I hope. If not, keep the YouTube page handy. And we're going to have a great concert. These guys got a lot planned for you, 2 full sets. And we'll maybe chat a little in the middle as well. So welcome, Will. Welcome, Caitlin. It's great to see you guys.
Yeah, thanks, Tom. Good to see you too.
How's life treating you?
Not too bad.
Pretty
Getting on
good.
just as well as we could, I suppose.
That's
Yeah.
good. You guys have been putting out a lot of stuff. If you haven't checked it out yet, they have a page on Patreon. It'll be in the materials for this posted online, and maybe they'll tell you about it as well. But you can go there and sign up. They have some great stuff for a project they're doing called the Phonograph Project, highlighting great classic recordings from the 20s, 30s, and 40s. Really,
Yeah.
rounded out some of the Michael Coleman era, Patty Kaloran, Tom Ennis, things like that, and lovingly and very accurately depicting some of those old arrangements and putting them back out there in a more modern, at least more modern recordings anyway. With some great playing. So check that out if you haven't yet. These guys are doing great stuff, and we're very proud to have them here in Portland, Maine. being a good export for us right now. So the concert's going to be 8:00 on Wednesday, the 17th, St. Patrick's night. Like I said, you can watch it live on Facebook or YouTube. You can catch it later if you need to. The link will be up for a while. You can go to YouTube at any time and watch it there. Just do a search for Irish Night on either one of those, and you should find the page, or there'll be links in the descriptions. There's going to be a donation link for these guys that night that we'll post a bunch of times. So come prepared. Get your credit cards nice and warmed up and get ready to go to PayPal and show your love via cash. And, maybe we'll talk to somebody from Blue if they come or not. And we'll let you know whatever plans we have for stuff coming up. Right now, that's nothing. But next week, you never know what'll happen. Lots going on. So you guys want to give us a tune?
Yeah,
I know you
sure.
just did, but let's hear another one.
Yeah. We forgot to talk about actually what we wanted to play. You got anything in mind?
Jigs, reels.
Well, we came in with some jigs, maybe some reels. Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, you just wanted. Yeah.
Or-
That's it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Sounds good. Yeah. We'll try a couple of John McKenna reels. Famous old set, since Tom mentioned some of the stuff we've been doing for the Phonograph Project. It's a set John McKenna recorded back in the 1920s. Lucky in Love and The Bloom of Youth, right?
Yep.
So you have in mind?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll give that a try, Tom.
All right, take it away.
Thanks.
All right. Thank you, guys. It sounded great. Lovely
Thanks,
stuff.
Tom. I guess we should mention that. Yeah, we'll do the if it's all right with you and our listeners, we'll probably do for the concert the first half on the flute, and then I'll switch to pipes for the second half. So we'll get the full dose of
there
both
early,
instruments, I
folks.
suppose.
Okay. Well, that sounds good. That's a plan. So if people out there don't like the pipes, don't come for the second half. We don't like the flute, but we know everybody out there loves the pipes, because how could you not? All right. Well, great. I'll get this onto Facebook soon, and it's already on YouTube. So please join us next week, folks. It's Wednesday, the 17th of March, St. Patrick's Night, 8 p.m. Eastern Time. with Will Woodson and Caitlin Finley of the Phonograph Project. We're going to be live and having some fun for St. Patty's Night. So thanks for coming, everybody. And thanks, Will and Caitlin. We'll see you next week.